Want to know how to offer tiered support with access rules? Whether you're managing a customer service team or providing client support, setting up tiered support with specific access rules can drastically improve your service quality. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth, organized, and efficient tiered support system that aligns with your business needs. Now, before we dive into the how-to, let me tell you why this matters. With tiered support, you can prioritize critical issues, give VIP clients the attention they deserve, and offer self-service options for less urgent inquiries. This approach saves time, boosts customer satisfaction, and streamlines your support process. Stay tuned, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial of the software I'll be using in this tutorial, just for viewers like you. First, let's talk about defining your support tiers. Generally, you'll have three main levels: Tier 1 for basic support, Tier 2 for more complex issues, and Tier 3 for high priority or expert level support. Each tier should have different access rules, based on the severity or urgency of the issue. You'll need to clearly define what types of issues or customers fit into each tier. Next, you need to set up your access rules. These rules control who gets what kind of support based on their needs. The easiest way to do this is by creating a rule set in your software that automatically routes tickets or requests to the appropriate support level. For instance, if a customer has a simple question, it should go to Tier 1. If they need more detailed assistance, it's sent to Tier 2. And for complex, urgent issues, Tier 3 should be triggered. The software you use should allow you to create these rule-based workflows, automating much of the process. Once the rules are set up, make sure your support team is trained on how to handle each tier effectively. For example, Tier 1 agents should focus on quickly resolving basic inquiries or escalating issues when necessary. Tier 2 agents will need to handle more detailed support and have deeper product knowledge. Tier 3 agents should be your problem solvers who can resolve the toughest cases. Make sure your system is designed to give each team member the tools they need to succeed. Another important element is setting up visibility for each tier. Your team members should know where each ticket is in the process. Using a dashboard that shows the current status and which tier a support request belongs to will make it easy for everyone to stay on top of things. You should also have a process in place for escalating issues between tiers as needed. Sometimes, a seemingly simple issue can turn into something that needs immediate attention from a higher level. To make sure your tiered support is working efficiently, use metrics to track how well each tier is performing. Key performance indicators like response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction ratings will give you insights into which areas might need improvement. Regularly review these metrics to fine-tune your process. Finally, here's a key takeaway you need to remember. Offering tiered support with access rules is about automating and optimizing the way your team handles issues. With clear access rules, better resource allocation, and a streamlined process, you'll improve both efficiency and customer satisfaction. So make sure your software is set up to handle these needs and take the time to define those tiers and access rules. Now, if you want to follow along and set up your own tiered support system, I recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've linked in the description below. It's a trial specifically for viewers of this channel, and it'll help you get started with all the features you need. To wrap up, start by defining your tiers, set your access rules, ensure your team has the right tools, and track your performance. By doing this, you'll be well on your way to providing top-tier support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below.